Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today I am so excited because my Lisa Eldridge haul just came in and I've got a little surprise as well. Oftentimes when Lisa launches things, they sell out immediately. So I ended up picking up one of these beautiful fantasy floral lip kits to give to one lucky winner. So what I was going to do today was going to show you my Lisa Eldridge haul that I got for myself, as well as the one that I purchased for you guys as a thank you for being so amazing to my channel, for all your love and support, and give you a little swatch of this one as well. So if you're interested in seeing what I picked up from the Lisa Eldridge launch, I'm going to be demoing on my lips as well as giving you some swatches. And you want to learn more about how to enter my giveaway, I have one of these fantasy floral lip kits to be giving out to one of you guys. So excited. So if you are interested in watching that, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, I am so excited to share the Lisa Eldridge. This is the Fantasy Floral Lip Kit and I'm so excited. I bought two of them for myself and then I did buy one for you guys. So I am so excited to do this giveaway. A lot of times when Lisa Eldridge does these kind of launches, they sell out immediately. I haven't checked to see if this particular one is sold out, but this is in MUSE, and MUSE was described as the classic sort of smoky rosewood that every woman should have in her collection. So that is why I picked this one to do a little giveaway of. This is going to be your classic kind of pinky neutral with a pinch of brown in it. You guys, it is beautiful and we're going to do a try on right now. But I'm so excited to be able to give this little beautiful fantasy floral to one lucky winner. You guys, inside it's already packed nice and neatly. You're going to be getting a lip liner, a lipstick, as well as the gloss. So I just wanted to say thank you guys for being so supportive of my channel. We are almost actually to 16K and I can't even believe it. So I just wanted to do a fun little giveaway that was purchased by me to say thank you for all your support and love. Okay, let's go ahead and put this on my lips. So far you guys, the lip liners are so creamy and they're just amazing. They kind of remind me of the Charlotte Tilbury lip cheats, just kind of long wearing, creamy, easy to apply. And let's go ahead and give you a little swatch. And this is the color Muse, which is, again, you guys, very much an Abby color. I love those kind of smoky rosewood colors. Really nice neutral, and I totally agree with Lisa that every woman should have this color in their repertoire. So I am going to line my lips. And this is the lip liner in Muse. You guys, this looks fantastic with just the lip liner and the MUSE lip gloss. So kind of versatile products here for those kind of days that you just kind of want to slick on something easy. Then we have the lipstick shade, and this is in MUSE, and this is in Lisa's classic velvet formulation. And these are so long wearing. This is the shade. I just find it to be perfection, you guys. It is so good. So this kit is going to include the same tone and shade as the gloss and lipstick for a very natural look. So this is called the Enhance and Define Beauty Liner, and it is going to be in the same tone as the lipstick and the gloss. So here is the shade. in Muse. And I'll just put this on. And this is the shade Muse. I love this shade. Just a really nice kind of neutral rose. And then we're going to use the MUSE Lip Gloss. So you guys, here is what the applicator looks like. Nice little doe foot here. I love the little compact little lip gloss kind of packaging. And this color is amazing. And then here is the shade Muse, which is just perfection. And you guys, in those quick and easy days, there's often times where I will just wear lip liner and lip gloss. And her lip liners are amazing. They are completely waterproof and smudge proof. So in order to get this off for the next swatch, I'm going to have to use just a little bit of an oil-based kind of makeup remover. So they stay on, which is amazing. And it also can just be a quick and easy look if you're in a hurry. So let's put the gloss on. And here is the gloss in Muse. So this is all 3 items. And this is all 3 items that you are going to be receiving, as well as this beautiful little makeup bag. This was created by multimedia artist Jon Jacobsen. It is just so pretty, you guys. Little velvet bag, and then of course you've got the little Lisa logo here. So super cute, nice little zippable bag. Can stick this in. Can stick all your little goodies in here, and it's just perfect to kind of tuck into your purse. Then the next Floral Fantasy lip kit I got was in blush, and this one is just right in my wheelhouse. This is one of these kind of deep berry shades that I absolutely love. So we have the Enhance and Define Beauty Liner, and I'll give you a little. And this is the color Blush here. We'll go ahead and line my lips real quick. I just slightly overlined on the upper lip, slightly underneath here. And I just love this color. I find it to be very brightening to my complexion. And let's go ahead and we'll swatch the lipstick in blush. This is described as a sensual boudoir color. It has cool, muted undertones to it. And this is the shade Blush. Then here is a swatch of blush, as well as the Blush lip gloss. So as you can see, you guys, we have up here Muse, kind of your everyday rosewood nude. Then down here we've got a little bit more of a punchy color in blush. Just so pretty. Let's go ahead and put on the gloss here. Again, this is an excellent formula, jam-packed with some nourishing oils and butters in here. And this is the entire blush kit. Now what I love is the lip glosses are super light. They're not sticky. They feel very moisturizing on the lips. And again, as I said, I really love doing a little lip liner and a little lip gloss kind of on the day-to-day. I don't always put on my lipstick when I'm just kind of around the house, but I do love to do a little lipstick and lip gloss combo, and I'm absolutely loving this formula to the point where I want to get some more of her glosses and some more of her lip liners. They are fantastic. The lip glosses include wild mango kernel butter. Its strong moisturizing and smoothing effect on dry lips. It's going to improve softness immediately after application. It also claims that it's going to repair and reduce dryness within 7 days. So it also includes acai berry oil, which is also jam-packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. So I love that. It also includes sunflower oil, which is high in vitamins A, C, D, and E. So those are all fantastic kind of skincare properties, as well as being fragrance and perfume free. So you guys, these are just gorgeous. I wouldn't expect anything less from Lisa Eldridge. I just love watching Lisa. She is just so calming. I just love the way that she approaches makeup and beauty in general. And again, I love the way she does her launches. Everything is beautiful. Of course, I want some of those beautiful Lisa Eldridge rings, and it would be a dream come true to have her do my makeup one day. That's kind of on my little list. Her, I love Monica Blunder. Actually, that's a good question. Actually, that's a great question for the giveaway. If you could have anyone do your makeup, who would it be? There's so many great makeup artists out there, but Lisa Eldridge is just someone I admire. I love her techniques. I love her approach to makeup and beauty in general. So with that being said, you guys, I wanted to give back to you guys and say thank you so much for all your support. So one lucky winner will be receiving the Fantasy Floral Lip Kit. This one is in Muse, and this is going to be this top combination up here in Muse. All you have to do to enter is, if you can, please give this video a little thumbs up. Of course, I would love for you to follow me on my channel. If you can follow me on Instagram, that would be fantastic as well. And then if you could leave below, who is your dream makeup artist that you would love to have your makeup done from? That popped into my head, so share. You can obviously say Lisa, but anybody else, like I love Monica Blunder, she's awesome. So whoever your dream little makeup artist is, let me know, and this will be an international giveaway. So you guys, I've been waiting for this to show up, so I was so excited about that. And so you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, I like to know, did you pick up any of the Lisa Eldridge launch? Did you get some lip glosses? What are your favorite colors? I always love to learn from you guys as well. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I will leave all the information below of how to enter my giveaway. And again, you guys, thank you so much for your love and support. You guys are awesome, and you make doing YouTube videos so much fun. I just love connecting with you on the daily, and I just appreciate you so much. So have a great day, and I'll be back with another video soon.